Okay, so I wanted to do a insert of what I do throughout the day when I'm at work. Obviously, I can't show you exactly what I do because that is a HIPAA violation, but basically, in a nutshell, I do referrals. What I do is patients that have an HMO plan where they require a PCP to be selected or a primary care physician to be selected. I make sure that if they have to go see a specialist, I get that approved. I also make sure that the specialist that they're seeing is in network that does accept their insurance and do accept new patients. I also make sure that once I get it approved, that I send over everything that that specialist may need, whether it's lab, diagnostic, imaging, you name it, I send it, progress notes. And then I also keep in contact with the patients so that way they know what's going on, what's been approved, what's not been approved, if it's pending. I give them a reason. And if that doctor that we originally were going to send them to is no longer accepting their plan, then we go and I find an alternative and I let the patient know. Besides doing that, I also verify insurance. I also check patients in and out. And I do a lot of the scheduling. So the reason why I do all of this is because I do travel between two clinics. I fill in whenever someone is out or if somebody called in. So that's the reason why I have to know a little bit of everything. So that way I can fill in that person and do what they do while they're out. And just to make sure that the patient's care is continuing. There's no break in between continuation of care. So I just thought it'd be interesting to show you guys what I do and give you guys like a behind the scene of what I'm doing when I'm at work. Like I said, I do travel between both clinics, and mainly my main thing is just scheduling and doing the referrals and making sure that these referrals are approved. But anyways, that is pretty much what I do throughout the day, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so this is how I'm spending my lunch hour, going to Walmart because I got a text saying that my son has a picture day tomorrow and he needs to wear a button-up shirt. So yeah, and I only get 30 minutes for lunch. So this is going to be interesting to say the least. Let's see. Ooh, luckily it's free style. So, I like this. Ooh. Ooh, he's gonna look so cute. I like that. Okay, we're gonna do that for $7. Not bad for it being on clearance.
Do you wish to continue?
No cash back. Yes. Fine. I bought a pair of pants too for him. And this shirt. Not bad. Alright, I am in my car getting ready to head back to work. I'm gonna be a little bit late, but they know. So I got his outfit. My poor baby, he's short and stocky. So hopefully everything will fit him. I know the shirt will fit him. I'm just kind of hesitant on the pants. I did get a size husky for him. So hopefully that little extra junk in the trunk, he can fit in it. So at this Walmart there is a Subway, so I went ahead and grabbed a sandwich for lunch. It's gonna be the Subway of the day, or the sandwich of the day, Italian BMT, I think it's what it's called. So yeah, that is my lunch hour basically gone. Well, not even an hour, 30 minutes. So anyways, let me drive so I can get back to work, clock in, and try to eat real quick. So I finally made it home. We managed to close early today. I was so happy. We got off at like 4:45, and my little sugar bear, he is trying on his outfit that his mama got him. What you think, Nicholas?
It's good.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, fancy. You're gonna look so handsome. I love it. So that is the outfit that I got him at Walmart during my lunch break. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what we have for dinner. It is biscuits and gravy. My daughter actually did it before I got home, so it's already ready to go. And I have two that is in after school practice right now. That's Jocelyn and Sophia. They are doing ROTC stuff, so they should be coming home in about maybe 30 minutes or so. But they ate, my older ones, and then Nicholas ate, and Elizabeth ate. So it's just me. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what my daughter did. Okay, so my daughter pretty much did dinner, so all I get to do is sit down and eat. Oh my god, I cannot believe this today. We get off early, my boy has his outfit, and I don't have to worry about dinner. I'm so excited. I'm winning today, Thursday. I am having a great day. So she did biscuits, and it's just a normal biscuits from the refrigerated, the cold biscuits that you just open it up and cook in the oven. And then she did these country gravy. It has a little bit of sausage in it, but we like to add more. So what I did was I bought a little roll of pork sausage. So biscuit and gravy is pretty much done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and thank you. So that is what we're having for dinner. It's a breakfast for dinner. Normally I get off at like past 5 o'clock, so we were anticipating me getting home like at 6, so that's why we decided to do a breakfast for dinner. But since we finished at 4:45, I literally just got home to cook dinner, so I'm just so excited about that. So I'm gonna help her out and wash the dishes because she did cook, and it's only fair. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not really hungry right now because that sub really filled me up. So I'm just gonna start washing dishes and getting it all together. Okay, so here is the finished product that my daughter did. Just some scrambled eggs. The biscuit is definitely hidden underneath that mountain of gravy. And like I said, we add extra pork sausage in the gravy, and just to add more meat to it. But this is pretty much a simple, fast meal. Again, so grateful that my daughter helped me out because she thought that I was going to get off really late and wanted to help her mama out. And so I really appreciate my baby for doing this. But yep, this is another quick and easy dinner, frugal, very cheap as well. So breakfast for dinner it is. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. I hope you guys have a great one. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the behind the scenes. I know I couldn't show you a lot, but obviously I work in a doctor's office. I'm, you know, very protective of the HIPAA and privacy and making sure that there's nothing that shows. But I just wanted to show you just a small little behind the scene of what I do. I'm getting ready to throw some clothes in the laundry. As you can tell, my trash is like overflowing, so I'm about to dump all of that. But hey, this is real life, mom of 5. But yeah, daughter pretty much cooked dinner. I'm just happy and grateful that I don't have a lot to do, so I'm just gonna throw in some clothes to wash, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower, get that trash pulled out, and I will be back with another video soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye.